We're Paul and Yana and we're Jemmervale Designs. We make handcrafted timber furniture and decor. We've been going since 2018, part-time in the garage to start with. Moved to the business centre, there in a 90 square metre shed, 2 years there, and now we have a 1200 square metre facility at the outskirts of Shepparton.
We really loved our time at the business centre. It was the perfect next step out of our garage. They were just really supportive and helpful. We could always go to them with any questions and they would help out. Anything we needed, from kitchen rooms to meeting rooms if we needed them. And we of course used the sheds out the back, which were perfect for our furniture building area. We also really loved the community of other business owners that were there. Completely different to us, but great to build some networking relationships that are still helping us out today in this new facility as well.